Hello, it's Tia, the wig coach on YouTube, and we're going to be talking about taking down Permatease on a wig. We're going to use this African Essence wig control spray. I love this spray. This particular wig is Impulsive by the Wig Company, and it had a bunch of Permatease, and it is not heat safe. So basically I just sprayed the wig pretty liberally and then used my comb, which is actually like my round brush, to sort of work it in and break up the Permatease fibers a little bit. I then went through and styled it a little bit. I kind of like the tuck behind the ear look. That's just my particular style. And so I was using my round brush just to work through the style and make sure that the Permatease was down the way I want. I wanted to flatten some areas, so what I'm going to do is clip it and clip back the top part in the back also to make sure that that's going to lay flat. Any area I want to sort of lay flat, I'm going to use these clips on. I then grabbed my Revlon Air Kit, and this is like cool air, and use that just to sort of dry the wig right where I want it to again lay flat and have that Permatease taken down a little bit. I love this tool, especially for non-heat safe wigs. I just think it's something you should have in your wig arsenal. Right now I'm just moving through the style, getting it to lay where I want to lay. That's kind of the key with wigs in general, no matter what the scenario is. Sometimes you just have to play with it, and in playing with it you can get it to a place where you really love how it looks. Now that I've kind of figured out where I want it to be, I'm going to use a gel. This is the Eco gel that I'm using right now, but you can use a wig gel. And I am going to sort of shape the front and give some texture in the places that I want, especially around the face and around the back area that hugs the neck. I'm also going to go through that very top part that had the most Permatease and just give it a little texture and twist just so it lays the way that I would like. Then I'm going to go through and use the Tressolure Wig Wax Spray, which is one of my favorite products ever. You can purchase that on my website, tmwigs.com. And now all the work that we've done is held in place and we're all good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you have, you're my doll baby. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!